How to use the ChatGPT shopping research feature. Features plus demos. Now let's try to make ChatGPT search and compare products for you. Now the prompt is compare these three earbuds for me. Samsung Galaxy Buds 3, Nothing Ear, and Sony WF C700. Now in this case we're considering battery life, noise cancellation, comfort and price. Now here the Buds 3 versus the Nothing Ear versus the Sony. Now here we have a key takeaway and let's look for what we asked. So here is the comparison of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 and Nothing Ear and a Sony. Right now we have what stands out. Now this is the recommendation that ChatGPT is trying to recommend to us. Samsung's latest mainstream bud gives us the balanced package. Now our second is the Nothing Ear, what stands out. So this is the explanation based on what you're interested in. Then we also have trade-offs in this section. Now heading over to the Sony WF C700N. Now what stands out still, and here it talks about the ANC, the performance and all the other features. Then it also gives us trade-offs right here. Now here is what to do when choosing among the three. Now second one is we need to find the right product. Now even if we don't know what we want, let's trigger ChatGPT to enable us to get an idea of what is best for us. Find the quickest cordless stick vacuum for a small apartment with wooden floors. Budget is around 200 to 300 US dollars. Then let's select our shopping research. Alright, let's start. Now this is the results that I've gotten so far. Now let's head over to the summary, and now it has given me the best picks, as you see. So why this is the strongest overall. Now it has also given us trade-offs. And now the comparison table. Here is where we can compare the different ways we can use it. Now here is where we can compare the different products. Now we have additional picks. Then we have best ultra under $100. Then we also have the best quietest claim you can buy new today. Now here ChatGPT is telling us why it is interesting to add it on pick. Then obviously there are also some trade-offs. Okay, it's similar with what we have already observed. I need a birthday gift for my 4-year-old niece who loves art. Keep it under $40 and make sure it's safe for kids. Now as you see, it has generated, but my image is still loading. I don't know what's wrong with my network. So it is searching. Okay, now it's making sense. Now here are the 7 great art gifts under $40. for a 4-year-old. Wow, these are paint sticks in different colors. Why this is the single easiest win? Now ChatGPT is telling us, it is explaining to us why it has picked that. Now here is a big rain process that still messes. Now you get a full list of options with pros, cons and links, organized like a personal shopper. Now next, let's look at how it can handle deep research for complex categories. Oh, this was shot for 4 minutes. Now here is a summary. They've given us the Nikon D3500 kit. Why is it the best overall? ChatGPT is giving us the reasons, and the other thing that ChatGPT will give you is what you will notice in use. Then here are the trade-offs and basically the comparison, comparing the Nikon D3500 kit. Then as you see these other cameras, now here is the notice in weight, and we have option 2, it's right there. ChatGPT checks multiple trusted sources and brings everything together in one clean report. Now you may be having a simple question. Is it still easy? What's the current price of an iPhone 15 in the US? Wow, this shop for 1 minute. That means that the shorter the prompt, the more lesser the time. The more the prompt, the more the time. Now, current US prices for iPhone 15. Let's look at this is around 629.99. That's a 128 GB model. Then this is 799. Then the list goes on and on and on and on. So that has been it for ChatGPT's shopping research feature. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.